In this video, I will show you how to use web capture in Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge. Now here, open any website. Now here guys, right click anywhere. Then click on web capture. Also you can use shortcut Control plus Shift plus S. Now here guys, you will see this three option like capture area. You can select manually like this. And another option, freeform mode. So you can select with any style, and also you can select capture full page, web select, copy content with formatting like this. So it will just copy the content. Now here click on copy and paste anywhere. So you have this all content here. And once you have the screenshot, so you will see almost in this picture folder name screenshot. So this way you can use this Microsoft Edge web capture feature. Thanks for watching.